Sticky situations aren't just for zombies. They happen to the best of us. Whether you're trying to remove a sticker from a bumper or you have an installation going on and one piece of signage is too large for the area of application, it's nice to have a tool that can be used when all others fail. Glue Gun is that tool. This is our Pro Media Glue Gun, Cytec's house brand adhesive removal. This product comes in a 500 ml bottle and is locally sourced. This video will demonstrate how our Pro Media Glue Gun is used for adhesive removal. Ensure that the application of glue gun is in a well-ventilated area and remove the vinyl or adhesive material from the surface. Once the vinyl has been removed, spray the entire surface area of the adhesive residue. Please bear in mind, if the area is on a vertical surface, the liquid will run down the surface and will most likely affect other installations below. Let the glue gun sit on the surface for 4 to 5 minutes to ensure it breaks down the adhesive and softens it. Wipe the adhesive in the same direction with each wipe. Personally, I would use a cloth that can be thrown away. Alternatively, some paper towel. The adhesive sticks to the cloth and it will be difficult to clean the cloth after. For large surface areas, a scraping tool that won't damage the surface can also be used. Make sure all adhesive residue has been removed. If there is any residue left over, spray the surface lightly a second time to remove the excess residue. Wipe the surface down with isopropyl alcohol, and now you can apply new vinyl to the surface. This liquid contains a highly flammable chemical, so keep away from open flames. Avoid eye contact and do not inhale the fumes. This product is suitable for most surfaces, so please test the product on a small area before application. For more information on this product, please visit our webpage www.cytec.co.za. Be sure to give us a like and follow. I hope this video will help you stay away from those sticky situations. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next one.